Yeah, this is my third batch with this car, and so far I love it. I love the suspension. I love the handling. I like how the car drives. My lights is holding up. Only thing ain't holding up is that sticker right there. See my little lights in the front. Got blue on the side and red in the back. I still haven't messed in the EXB yet, but I'm about to. Definitely gonna mess in that. So far, this car is nice and durable. I took had some bad crashes, bad landings. We didn't crash yet. I was wondering if that would work. I could pull off a whole backflip doing that. Takes skill right there. I keep dropping the camera. That was definitely skillful. Definitely skillful. Whoa. This little thing got a little punch to be for us. Got a nice little punch to it. Oh, what was that? And don't know where that. Turn, motherfucker, and the battery did. I knew this was pointless. I don't even know why I bothered. Oh, don't go in the water. Your piece. 4S monster. Monster. At a new location. I done fixed up the added some stuff to the body. As you can see, I added carbon fiber to the front, LEDs, carbon fiber in the back of the bed. Already seen the white lights I got in the front and red in the back. Now I'm gonna finish bashing it. Hopefully I don't scratch up my body now. Get into it. Running on that 4S battery. That 4S Power Hobby 100C, 120C. I can't really quite remember what it was. Oh, there we go, flip, dope. And she made it. Yeah, I got the body all banged. It look, I mean, not banged up, but I'm trying not to bang it up. Oh yeah. Let's see how many times I flip this today. Oh my God. So far the body is taking minimum damage. The steering is a little weak on here. I don't know if it's the servo saver that's weak. Oh yeah, I like a little jump, little hop. I don't know if it's servo saver or what. Yeah, this thing fly nice. Almost bit it, went down there. Oh yeah. Oh, don't go down there. Yo, this thing takes some punishment. Peace. Then y'all couldn't see that. I'm gonna see, can I come straight at myself? Yo, this thing flies nicely. Yes, I wanted to bring her out here next test. I ain't do a speed test today, but I will do one. No! Yo, this thing is a beast. This is definitely a stunt truck. Oh! Yeah, tell me what y'all think in the comments below. Didn't break anything, didn't do no body damage, just the skid on the roof damage. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. I gotta watch this street here. But as always, hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. And I'm out.